Hello everyone! Welcome to NextCart tutorial. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to migrate your store data from OpenCart to Shopify. The process is straightforward once broken down. On the screen, you'll notice two main sections, the source cart and the target cart. The source cart represents your current platform, which in this case is OpenCart. And the target cart is where your data will be transferred to, Shopify. First, you'll need to paste the URL of your OpenCart store here in the Source Store URL field. And below that is the Kit Connect package. Now, I will head over to my OpenCart site. As you can see, I'm already at my OpenCart dashboard here. Alright, I move to the top right corner, point to my name, and then select Your Store here to move the tab of the Source Store. I will copy this link, head back to the NextCart tab and paste it right here into the Source Store URL field. Next up, I'll need this Kit Connect file. This is a special connection tool that helps to synchronize your data between the two platforms securely. If you haven't connected the Kit Connect folder with OpenCart, you'll see a 404 error when clicking to check the Kit Connect URL link. Okay, come back to the NextCart tab. Click right here to download it automatically. Once it's done, you will see the zip folder located at the top right corner. I click Show in Folder. All I have to do is click on Extract All to unzip the folder. You can see here there are two files inside like this. Now, I need to upload this Kit Connect folder to FileZilla or cPanel to transfer files from my computer to the server, ensuring updates are applied live. You can download a free FileZilla from Google. As you can see, I've already got it installed, and this is what the interface looks like. Now, all I have to do is drag your unzipped Kit Connect folder, which contains two files inside to the right panel. Once the transfer is complete, FileZilla will let you know. You'll either see a File Transfer Successful notification at the bottom of the screen. To check if Kit Connect has successfully connected to your web store, just click on the blue Kit Connect URL link. If it's successful, you'll see this message confirming that the connection has been successfully installed. Okay, the OpenCart is all done. Now, let's switch over to Shopify. First, you'll need to go into your Shopify store to get your shop's URL. And just below that, we need to obtain the access token as well. As you can see, I'm already in the Shopify store in the Home section. I'll copy this URL and paste it back. I'm back once again. On the bottom left, I'll go into my settings and then click on Apps and Sales Channels. I'll choose Develop Apps. From here, I'll click on Create an App at the top and give it a name. For this video, I'm just going to name OpenCart to Shopify. Once it's done, I'll navigate to the second tab, which is Configuration. Next to Admin API Integration, go ahead and click Configure. Now, a list of admin API access scopes will appear. I'll need to check all the necessary permissions for the migration, which should be about 20 admin scopes. This will give the app access to your store's data. After checking all the necessary admin scopes, you might see a number 40 selected at the top. Then, scroll all the way down and hit Save. Once that's done, scroll up to the top. I'll go to the third tab, API Credentials. From here, I will see a section for access tokens. To get the token, I click on Install App. As you can see, Shopify has now generated your admin API access token. Just click on Reveal Token once to show the code. Then I'll copy this token and head back to the NextCart tab to paste it. Everything's all set now. You click on Next Step to move on to the configuration part of the migration. Now you're on the configuration screen. Under Entities Selection, you'll choose the types of data you want to migrate. You can check individual boxes like products or orders, but since I want to transfer everything, I'm just going to click Select All. Since this is just a demo, you can't select the Reviews and Coupons. Down to the Additional Options section, I'll pick 4 options as clear data on your target store before the migration, strip HTML tags from category and product names, import descriptions, images to your target store, and migrate SEO URLs of categories, products, posts, and pages. For the Advanced Attributes Mapping section, I'll keep the product price tax at 0% and order tax status will be tax included. You can configure the tax rate to whatever value suits your store. It doesn't need to match the one I've set here. In language mapping, I set language as English, and the default location should be Chicago Warehouse. Now, moving to order payment status mapping, pending is mapped to pending. Processing goes to paid. Shipped set to paid as well. Complete goes to paid. Canceled stays the same. Denied set to canceled. Canceled reversal will go to canceled. Failed goes to canceled. Refunded also remains the same. Reversed set to refunded. Chargeback goes to refunded. Expired goes to canceled. Processed is mapped to paid. And finally, voided is still voided. In order fulfillment mapping status, let's see. I will switch the shipped and complete to fulfilled. Yes. Processed is mapped to fulfilled as well. With that done, just click Next Step to move on to the final part of the migration. In this process, the migration will begin, and I'll speed up the video a little bit to show you how all the data is being transferred. And just like that, once the migration is complete, you'll see this notification. That covers all the steps for migrating your data from OpenCart to Shopify by using NextCart. Okay. Now let's switch over to Shopify and check if the data has been migrated correctly. I will check products first. Yes, all products are here. Nothing is missing or messed up. The order is fine. These 3 orders are switched to payment pending. The customers is normal. Everything is in place. Perfect. In Shopify, one thing I have to note is that products are grouped into collections, which are the product categories migrated from your old store. Since Shopify doesn't support hierarchical collections, our tool created this migration menu, which arranges the migrated collections in the same structure as your BigCommerce. But keep in mind, Shopify only supports up to 3 levels, so deeper categories are still migrated but won't appear here. I hope this video has helped you easily migrate your data between these 2 platforms. If you're happy with the demo, you can go ahead and buy the Pro version. You click Purchase Now, then choose the entity limit you want. Right below, you'll see the VIP service add-on with 3 options displayed on the screen. With these options, our technicians will customize and execute the migration process based on your specific requirements. After you've set the entity limits and options, click Buy It Now. Besides, if you're having any issues or have questions, just submit a help desk ticket. Enter your frequently used email in Requester, the subject, and the content of your question. Then attach a file as a screenshot instead and hit Submit. Our technicians will receive the information, assist, and sort out any issues you might have. Feel free to open a ticket anytime. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye!